Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to run any LLM model offline on any Android. So first thing is you need an application that works around with any search or chatbot kind of thing, and it can run any AI model offline on any Android version. So what you need to do is you need to search for uncensored local AI, and you will find this GitHub repository. I'll also add this in the description of this video. Now this thing works on Android as well as iOS. For iOS we have an IPA file, whereas for Android we have an APK. Now there are three APKs. We have ARM64, 64-bit, 32-bit, and a smaller version for different phones. So in case if your phone is new, I would suggest you to go with ARM64X 64 version, and once you install it, you will notice that it's an application that requires a lot of permission. It runs in background and you have to give all the permissions that are required. Once that is done, it is a normal chat GPT kind of thing, but you need to add in the models. Now there are 4 models available. We have 5, which is a bigger model. We have Dolphin 2.9, which is around 4.9 GB. We have Gamma and Gamma 2. So depending on your phone, it requires a lot of RAM and all those things, because the models run inside your RAM and you can download any models. Right now the phone that I'm using, it's a nothing phone and it's running Kali Linux. I made a video about it in a previous video. You can also import a custom model. You need a gguf file. You can import the file by clicking on import. If you have already have a model, you can do that, but I would recommend, just for testing, I'll just download the first one. So once the download is done, you need to click on load model. Now this will basically put everything inside your RAM and it will run the model inside your RAM. So it requires a lot of RAM, but yes, the processing is done on the RAM. Once the model is loaded, you can select the model and you can ask any questions that are required, and it works completely offline. So in case if you have a custom model running and if you want to test it on your phone, you need the gguf file and you can import it. I'll just turn off the internet. You can put your phone on flight mode, or you can turn off the Wi-Fi and test the model. It thinks that it is online, but it is running offline since we are not connected to the internet. It is useful to do a lot of things, and you can run any model on your Android or iOS device with this application. For iOS device, we have the IPA file and the installation is quite simple as the Android. So it actually runs offline, but it thinks that it is connected because it is using the LLM, and LLM has these instructions that if someone is connected to the LLM, it basically means it is running on the internet, but it's completely offline. Test it yourself and do it.